Hello, dancing friends. Today I will draw Bluey doing a silly dance. Her paws tap quick, her ears bounce high. While the drawing slowly appears, I'll tell you a funny tale, and don't forget to tap like, just like Bluey tapping her paw. Bluey twirls around, tail swishes, her eyes sparkle, her smile beams. Look at my moves, she laughs. Would you spin around too, like Bluey? Bingo hops nearby, feet bounce, her giggles rise, her ears flop. I can dance faster, she shouts. Would you hop quickly too, like Bingo? Dad stomps silly, arms wave, his knees bend, his face scrunches. I'm the dancing monster, he roars. Would you stomp 3 times too, like Dad? Everyone laughs warmly, voices sing, the floor shakes, hearts glow. Best dance party, Mom says. Would you clap loudly too, tonight? The drawing is done. Bluey bows proud, her family cheers, love shines. Good night, little dreamers, sleep happy.